Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn 12th standard business maths, 6th chapter random variable and mathematical expectation exercise 6.1. Already we learned up to fifth sum. Okay, now we are going to learn sixth one. A continuous random variable x has the following probability function, values and then probability they are given, but they are asking find k. K is a constant and then evaluate, and then third one also question they given. So first I am going to find the k value. What is the k value? How did you find that? Let us see. K value. You know what they are given, probability function. What is the condition of the probability? Summation of p of xi, that means p of x equal to 1. So I'm using these conditions. I'm going to find the k value. How? I adding all the probability values, possible values. What are they? 0 plus k plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. I'm adding all the probabilities values equal to, I'm taking this all the probability values equal to 1. First I will adding all the k square value. What are the values of 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 10. 10 total of k square, 10k square plus, next step I'll adding all the k value. K 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9k. 10k square plus 9k is equal to 1. Okay. Then I'm using the factorizing method. On factorizing, we get, before I'm going to factorize method, I do one thing. 10k square. I will write as it is k square plus 9k. I bring down the 1 that side. So it will change minus 1 is equal to 0. The next step is I'm taking the factorizing of this that equation. On factorizing we get k plus 1, k plus 1 and 10k minus 1. 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. You know that the k is equal to, what is the value of k is equal to minus 1. Here k is equal to 1 by 10. So k equal to minus 1 is not possible because the negative value. So I can take k is equal to 1 by 10. So we get k is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, now you know what is the k value. First one finished at k value. Second one, what are the second question? Evaluate probability of x less than 6. Probability of x less than 6. The probability of x less than 6 less than 6 less than 6 means uh, don't take up to 6 6 and then 7, don't take the 6 and 7 because they're given less than 6, so we can take 0 1 2 3 4 5. So probability of x less than 6 equal to probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2, x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 and probability of x equal to 4 and probability of x equal to 5 final. Sorry. Probability of x equal to 4. X equal to 5. Okay. So I will take what is the probability values of x equal to 0. Then I take each one. What is the probability of this? All the values of first one 0, 0 plus x equal to 1 k, random value of x equal to 2, 2k, 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square, k square. First I am adding the k square only one half, so I will write as it is k square, then plus is equal to then I will add all the k value. How much? The k value is equal to 8k. You know the value of k. Already I found that k is equal to 1 by 10. So I substitute the k value here 1 by 2 because k is equal to 1 by 10. I use this value 1 by 10. I will substitute the instead of k place. K square is equal to 1 by 10 means I got 1 by 100 because 110 is equal 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 100 plus 8 by 10. I am taking the LCF of this number. It gives 81 by 100. 81 by 100. This is the answer of probability x less than 6. Okay. Then next I am going to find the probability of x greater than or equal to 6. So greater than or equal to 6 means don't take to 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will take only 6 and 7. The probability values of 6 and 7. Random value of 6. Greater than or equal to 6 means we can take only probability x equal to 6 and probability capital X equal to 7. So x equal to 6 means what is the value? 2k square plus 2k square plus the value of k is equal to 7. 7k square plus k. So first I am adding the k square. It gives 9k square plus k. So then this place k place I'll substitute the 1 by 10. It gives 9 by 100 because k is equal to 1 by 10 means k square is equal to 1 by 100 plus 1 by 10. Then so what is the answer? This 19 by 100. This is the answer of x greater than or equal to 6. Then last and finals, third division, given p of x less than or equal to x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. They are given the answer 1 by 2, but what is the value of x there? Which number is in that place x? Which number is at x place? It will gives 1 by 2. Is it clear? So now I'm going to find the what is the x value. So I'm taking up to only 4 because listen 4 only because k square means it gives 1 by 100. 1 by 10 in the square of that 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 means less than 1 by 2. 1 by 100 means we taking the decimal number means is less than 1 by 2. So is it not possible? They are given the condition 1 by 2 greater than the x probability of x values is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So we cannot take the 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So I will take only 0 up to 4. So now I'm going to take that p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 and plus sorry plus p of x equal to 2 x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 and plus p of x equal to 4. So I will substitute the probability value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k It gives 8k. So k value, you know that what is the k value? 1 by 2. So 8 by 2, sorry, 1 by 10, sorry, k value is 1 by 10. So 8 by 10, I'll change the simplest form. It gives 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. So P of capital X less than or equal to 4, greater than 1 by 2. So what is the X value? What is the X value? X equal to 4. Is it clear? We can write up to X value. It will give less than 1 by 2 value. Okay. Thank you.